Hello, welcome to PIDMaxwell YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about how to change the sensor input for the controller according to your specific application. In this video I have a PT100 sensor attached to the light bulb and then attached and then connected to the ramp and soul controller. Now what if you have a different sensor in your system, let's say type K? You need to change the input, otherwise the temperature reading will be not correct. So to do that, simply goes to the engineering parameters. By press the set key for roughly 3 seconds and locate the password. LOC means password. The password for engineering parameters 808. Right? 808, and tap on set key. Now you have full access to all the parameters. And locate the parameter for input configuration. There you go. INP is for input. Now the value 21 is for PT100. If you have a type K thermocouple, the value would be 0. So you can refer to our user manual for all the details of the, each code and its respective sensors like type K, J, S, R, B, and thermocouple, CU50, PT100, etc. Just remember to go back to the initial display stage after your configuration by press the set button and left up arrow button at the same time. You go back to the initial display stage.